Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's tutorial is going to be how to weave in your ends for any crochet project. If you are unfamiliar with that term, these little ends right here that you see on my test swatch are what I'm referring to. You're basically going to be taking them and you're going to weave them or sew them in as you go for your project. That way you have nothing left over to do at the end of your project. It is just a way to hide the little ends that are left over from when you're starting or when you're changing colors and so on. I have already made a little test swatch here with 2 different colors to sort of show you how this is going to work. And on this row that I'm currently doing, I am going to be making single crochets. So this is going to be how to hide your ends when you're changing colors at the beginning of a row. So I'm going to take the yarn from the previous row that I was working, the purple. I'm going to take it behind my work. Right? I'm going to hold it there. I am going to be making single crochets with this new color. So I'm going to start like I'm making a single crochet, but I'm going to work under that scrap piece, that little end. I'm going to bring up that new color. I'm going to make my single crochet. And you can see that that end right there is now sitting behind my project, that little purple end. I am now holding it with my fingers. Then I'm going to do it again. I'm going to put my hook in here, grab that yarn that I am working, bring it around that scrap, make a single crochet. Same again. And this is the end of that purple right there. Grab it, make a single crochet around it. So as you can see, so behind here, you can see that end is now woven into my single crochets that I had made. But it hides that color really well. So you don't see it on the front right here. You don't have an extra little one right here to weave in. It is already woven into the back right here and it's sort of hidden. So I'm going to continue my row of single crochet. I'm going to get to the end over here and I'm going to show you how to weave in the ends. Say you fasten off your project or finish off your project. This is all you want to do. I'm going to show you how to do it that way too at the end. So there we go. I had to go grab my scissors. So then you would bring that yarn all the way through. So what I normally do is if I'm finishing a project and this is the end of it, I'm going to turn my work and then I'm going to start weaving in that yarn, basically just through the stitches that I had already made of the same color. And this is what it's going to look like from the top. So that is going to be how you're going to weave your ends at the end of a project. I would do the same thing with this little beginner end that I had left when I started this swatch and I did my chains. I would do the same thing with this. I would just weave it into the end right here. Same with this. I would take it and just weave it into like these stitches right in here. It's basically just like sewing. You're hiding, you know, that little end. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Let me know any videos that you want to see in the future. And I appreciate you guys watching my videos as always. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.